In this video, I will show you how to install OpenClaw, and I'm going to show you how to do this, the easiest way to do this, which can get you set up and ready in under a minute using the BlueStacks AI. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to BlueStacks.ai. From here, you're going to see a button to download this onto your PC. Give it a click and that's going to download this onto your PC. Once this has downloaded, what you can do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type downloads into here, and then open up your downloads folder underneath best match. What you can then do is double click onto the installer, and on the permission that comes up, click yes. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this. From here, click the agree and install button, and what that's going to do is start downloading and installing this ready to go, so you can start using this in under a minute. BlueStacks runs OpenClaw AI in a sandboxed environment, and what this basically means is that your agent runs inside its own virtual machine, so your accounts stay completely private, and BlueStacks AI runtime has no access to your files, browser, or email. So once that's done, what's going to happen is a window's going to open up like this. As you can see, it's downloading OpenClaw currently, so again, it just takes a minute or two to do this. Once that's finished downloading, you're going to see it should automatically start. If not, it's going to be a start button, so you just click the start button, and this is going to start to run OpenClaw. Now, initially, what's going to happen is going to ask you to set a password. So this is going to be a security password for your AI, and you'll need this password later to add any new OpenClaw skills or to make any other system changes. Once you've entered that, click on to continue, and on the next screen you've got the option to configure your AI, so you can select your preferred AI provider that will power OpenClaw. BlueStacks do have BlueStacks Prime, which is a subscription service which you can use if you want to, or if you do have your own API key, you can of course select that option here and choose your provider, model, and API key. Once you've configured your AI and added your API key, just click on to start OpenClaw. Next, what you need to do is link your Telegram to OpenClaw so you can control it from anywhere. So just click the setup button and then follow the steps that come up to create your bot and connect it with OpenClaw. So as you can see, I've got Telegram opened, and the first thing you're going to want to do is search for BotFather. So if you come up to the top left hand corner and search for @BotFather, make sure to select the one that's got the blue tick. This is the verified one, and this is Telegram's official BotFather bot. Once you've done that and selected him, come and click on to start, and then what you need to do is type the first command, which is a /new bot, and then hit enter. Then what you can do is pick a name and a @username ending in bot. So I'm just going to call this one testbot007. Let's give that a look. And then what you need to do is choose a username. Just bear in mind that it must end in bot. So it's given an example here. So you can put your name followed by bot, or your name with an underscore and then bot. So what I'm going to do is testbot007, put an underscore and then put bot at the end, and then hit enter. So it looks like that one's been taken. So let's try something else. So I'm just going to add a few more numbers, and then what we're going to do is put bot at the end. See if we can do that one. So here we are. As you can see, I've managed to now create my bot. And what you want to do is you're going to find your token, which you want to copy. So you want to copy that from here. And then what we can do is come back to OpenClaw and paste that into the box down here. Once you've done that, click on to continue, and that's going to connect your bot with Telegram. Now, it might just take a minute or two to do that, but once that's done, you're going to get a screen come up like this, where you can finish pairing your bot with OpenClaw. So what you want to do now is come back to Telegram to the BotFather, and on there you're going to find the link to your bot from BotFather. So you can see it's here. If you give that a click, and then what you want to do is click on to start at the bottom. At this point, you're going to see a short pairing code, which your bot's going to send you. So that's this one down here. What you want to do is copy that from here, come back to OpenClaw and paste that code into the box down here. Once that's done, click pair. As you can see, the bot is now connected. What I can do is click on to continue, and this is going to take me across to my OpenClaw dashboard. From here, we can access our OpenClaw desktop, which is the virtual workspace, and we can go to the agent control center or the OpenClaw dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like, but you're going to see if I actually come back to Telegram now, this bot should all be working and good to go. So let's just send a message to the bot we've just created. As you can see, the agent has now been created. So that is how to install OpenClaw. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.